Hi, I want to show you how to use this options tool. So if we scroll down to the bottom here, the base price of the house is right here. The land price is right below it. These options total this number right here. And so the way to use this is interactive. So you can reject or make active. And then as you do that, the numbers down here, actually the option total will recalculate. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then if there's a blue view button right under this image column, it means there's a picture or an image if you click on it. So first, let's say we want to delete this item number 5, option number 5, which is cedar privacy fence. All you do is come over here, hit this toggle and reject it. And then this will just recalculate down here. And then we'll have a new total. So you can see the option total is now $55,068. If we reject, let's reject item number 8. So we come over here, hit reject, and that will just recalculate again. And that option total is decreased now to $40,599. And we can easily add things back, and this will just recalculate. That way, as we build this out, if you want to see more option prices, you can do all kinds of what if, what if you add, what if you subtract, and this will just recalculate. Now, let me just make this back to active, and then this is recalculating. And then on these blue buttons, if you click this, we'll click this, and then you have to click over here. This other hyperlink says full image. Click on that. And that's a picture of the screen porch. If we go back, just click out, go to the next one, click on this view, and this will show you the outline of the property. Oops, the outline of the property. And this red line shows the fence. And then this is the actual picture of the fence. So you can just click through, and again, just to free it up, you click anywhere away from that. And then you can just click each one of these. And that is how to use this tool. So hopefully that helps, and I will talk to you soon.